Hey folks, Sean from Old Yankee Farm, and I'm going to show you my new wood bed on my pickup truck. So today's video, I just wanted to show you what I did with my pickup truck bed. And I actually have some changes I'm going to be making. I'm going to show that on the video. It's an old 20 plus year, it's a 01, so it's 21 years old. The bed was pretty rotted and the frame was rotted. So I brought it to a local frame restoration place and they restored the frame. I bought a used frame and they took all the good parts and put it on the truck, and I'll show you some pictures of the process. And then I tried to look for a pickup truck bed for this thing, and oh my god, it was just like impossible. I thought I found one and then it was all too rotted, and so Amy and I opted to put a wood bed on it. And we've been getting some compliments on it from people, you know, from driving around. So I'm actually going to add a third tier to the sidewalls. I haven't built the back yet, and I haven't built the tailgate yet. So, and I'm just currently working on the lights, and I'll show you what I'm going to do for the lights. So what I did is this is a 4x4, and there's 3 of them, or 4 of them actually. There's one in the front. I got this one that's kind of a short one, and then I got these 2 longer ones underneath, and I mounted them to the mounts where the normal bed would be bolted, and I used lag bolts and I bolted them, and I used all pressure treated for the bottom section. And I decided to go with the rounded area for the room for the tire. I thought it looked a little more modern than square. And then I used, these are 2x8 pressure treated. And I tell you, they're pretty expensive. They're not cheap right now. And then I did these mounts, or these tie downs. And I'm going to do another one in the center. I just got to pick up another one. Right now I just use these screws with the washers temporarily, but I've already used this to bring some stuff home, bring some hay home. And then I still have to build this section here that's going to protect the back and the window. So I still got some stuff to do. The old tail lights were zip tied to the back just temporarily till I can build the back section, and I'll show you that next. So I opted for this. I got a 2x8 regular board, not a pressure treated board, because I'm going to stain this. I'm going to stain the whole thing. We're going to stain it one color. And I got these LED lights on Amazon. They were pretty affordable, and I mounted them to them. And this is basically what it's going to look like. Of course, these tail lights are in the way. So I got backup lights, and then I got two brake lights, signal lights, and then we'll take these out. I'm going to have my dad help me wire these. And so today I'm going to add the 3rd level to the sides just to give it more of a complete look. And so on this side of the truck I split the rail, and the reason I did that was so if we wanted to have access to the front part of the bed, Amy was thinking like if she had a crate with it and maybe some goats in the crate or something like that, she would want to push them up to the end. So I put this latch here and separate, And then I have I have this thing here, and that allows us to pull this up, and now we have access to the bed here. And it's real simple to latch back, and then that connects that to that, and now it's one solid piece. So in an attempt to try to keep everything the same, since that's got 4 studs on it, I'm going to add 2 more studs to this side, so at least they all look the same. And I got these stake holders at Home Depot. They're normally silver. I spray painted them black because I like the look of the black on the wood. So I spray painted black, did a couple coats, and now I'm going to mount these on in the same spots that those are, even though this one's not split, but it'll make it a nice, more secure side on it. How's that? Come on, Stella. Stella. Where are you? Here you go. Come on. Yeah. So in the next video, I'm gonna have to do the headboard. I need to finish the tailgate, finish up the tail lights, and then stain the whole thing. And that'll be in part 2, maybe part 3. We'll see how long it takes me to do it. I'm piecemealing this whole thing together, so. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you go to that subscribe button and click it.